Hello, Steve Higginbottom. Me and Connie came up with a new mask, a lot easier, a lot faster, more comfortable than with all the pleats. This is how we're going to start off. First of all, you make yourself a template. Right here. This template is 6 inches by 2.5 inches. You cut 1 inch on the sides and you go basically from 1 inch on the sides. This is the center part here. Okay, you go 1 inch to 2.5 inches and you make a notch. You can make this out of cardboard, heavy cardboard, or anything else. Okay, that's your template. Now, you take in 2 pieces of fabric, 7 by 7. Okay, you turn around and you take your good side and you put it in. You take it like this. Then you go to your sewing machine. After you sew it, it's going to look like this. You sew it all the way around, except for about a 2-inch section in one side. Then you have to flip it. And you flip it by turning it inside out. After you turn it inside out, it looks just like this. Okay? Now, this is where the template comes in. You turn around and you take your paper, or your material. You put your template on like so. Line it up. You line it up to right here, where you got your edges. Then you turn around and take a marker. And you put a line. Okay? Now that's your 2 lines you got. Now, you go to your sewing machine and you run a stitch across here, across your lines, so that when it opens up, it's like this. Okay? Then after you do that, you turn around and you sew all the way around. Right here. Okay, you got them stitched. Then you sew it all the way around the outside edges. Don't sew these down, these 2 flaps. Then you stitch your elastic on. This is a piece of the elastic. The elastic is 9 inches long. Then when you stitch the elastic on and you fold it around this way, this is the way it looks when you put it on. Perfect fit, all the sides, across the nose, and underneath the chin. You can make 3 of these masks. The same amount of time you can make 1 pleated mask. Try it. It's very simple. Thank you.